TS diving here at Wetter is always better. She's pretty dirty, but I got her cleaned up, looking good. Not too bad, but possibly some hall spray on the next visit. Get some of these stains out. And try to pop this back up in. I don't know if you guys hit something or whatever, but she ain't wanting to go up there. I tried. She cleaned up good. Let's go take a look at the rest. No, there is very poor visibility down there right now. Just a heads up. Pretty dirty, but cleaned up alright. Paint's looking good. Yes, diving, thank you very much.